Basically the toe in the water for Milwaukee in storage. First couple products. Since then I've been extremely busy and we've launched over 25 unique storage solutions in Milwaukee Tool. And this is an area that's a really key focus for us moving forward. We've invested in a team in our Brookfield headquarters that is focused solely on storage. So day in, day out, we eat, breathe, and sleep storage, with the target of making sure that our end users, we can provide them with the most durable, most innovative product on the market. So we're going to go through a couple of the new products we're going to be launching that have already launched this year and will be launching later this year. But one of the things I want to really reinforce here is for years to come, this is going to be the category that you're going to see a ton of innovation and a ton of growth in. First off, you see right here, we have our parachute organizer bag, which launched earlier this year. Biggest advantage we gave users here was the ability to reach into the bag and easily see what's in here. When you look at competitive parachute bags or organizer bags, the second you set it down, they tend to fold up, so you can't see what's in the bag and you don't have easy access. So our stand-up, stay-open design allows you to clearly see what's inside of the bag and easily reach for it and get it out of there. In addition, we have a weather-resistant reinforced base that A, protects all the materials on the inside if you happen to set it down on a damp surface, and B, allows you to stack them so you can carry multiple parachute bags in at one time. Next to it, we have our bucket organizer wrap. So bucket organizers have been around for a long time. It's one of those products that everyone under the sun has slapped their brand on some sort of bucket organizer over the past couple of years. And one of the things we found is they're great for bringing a bunch of tools into the job site. The problem is when you start trying to put big tools in it, like pipe wrenches, or dirty tools, like drain cleaners. And with traditional construction, wrapping around and going inside the bucket, you run into a couple issues. If you try and put a large tool in it, a lot of times it'll pull it up over the top and dump all of your tools that are on the outside inside. And if you try and put a drain cleaner in a bucket organizer that also has fabric on the inside, you're going to run into kind of a messy, dirty situation when you think about where a drain cleaner's been that day. So our exterior wrap design provides the versatility of over 30 pockets, so you can organize all of your tools, and even includes zipper pockets, so you have places to put batteries, chargers, and other items that you'd like to keep kind of isolated from the exterior environment. As I mentioned earlier with gloves, technology is really a core tool on job sites. And the more and more I've dug into this category in storage, the more and more I've found a lot of users looking for a solution to be able to carry their tablet, laptop, or phone and meters along with their tools in one bag. So that brings us to the Jobsite Tech Bag. So this product is going to carry over a lot of the durability features that are prevalent in our backpack, such as the 1680 ballistic material construction and molded base to make it 5 times more durable than the competition. But in addition, is going to feature a separate and padded laptop sleeve in the back, so you have a nice separated place to put your tablet or tech, as well as spaces for your power tools and hand tools as well. The more and more I dug into this, what I found was a lot of users were out there carrying either additional ponchos, umbrellas, or even trash bags with them on the job site day in and day out. Because if it started to rain, they needed to quickly be able to cover up their bag to protect their power tools, their batteries, as well as their tech. So what we did with the tech bag is actually integrated a rain fly that folds out of the back and covers up the main pockets of the bag. So what we'll do here, quick demo here. So what this is going to do is essentially protect the main pocket where you potentially keep your batteries and power tools, as well as your primary tech pocket in the back, and prevent moisture from getting in there, ruining any of that stuff. And this is really ideal for Tim. So Mr. Albrecht over here decided to play a little joke.
Check the middle pocket.
The middle pocket? What'd you do in here?
Mousetrap.
So what you can see, it will protect the middle pocket as well as the laptop pocket, as long as you don't have a sneaky VP spraying water all over everything.
It's the last rotation.
It's the last one. So with storage, one of the things I get asked for constantly out there is users carry a lot of stuff. I mean, they're out there with God knows how many power tools, batteries, hand tools, all red, of course, Milwaukee, right? And what they wanted was a way to roll that stuff. They said, hey, anything you can put on wheels, I want it on wheels. So that's why we decided to delve into some rolling tool bags. And the more and more I looked at this, the more I saw not only do users want to carry all their awesome Milwaukee power tools, hand tools, accessories, and Empire levels, they want to be able to carry their spools of wire and extra raw materials with them as well. So what we have right here is a new-to-world design, a HardTop Rolling Bag. So what this is going to allow users to do, load up all their power tools, hand tools, accessories, levels, you name it, inside of it, stack the raw materials on top of it, and roll it to wherever they need to go. So this bag right here is going to be rated for 250 pounds. So with that, that means we're going to have to make sure that this thing's going to survive with 250 pounds on it, not just on a nice smooth floor, but on a job site. So we did a couple things to really make sure that we over-design this bag to make sure it survives and thrives with heavy loads in job site environments. First and foremost, the wheels. See, those are 6-inch metal rimmed wheels. They're going to be able to roll over all the job site terrain that they're going to encounter. Secondly, you're going to see metal skid plates. So if they do happen to hit a concrete stair or metal, they'll be able to slide over that without damaging the bag. And then lastly, the handle. This is a key component that we really spend a ton of time on to understand how we can make sure this survives. First thing you'll notice is when you compare our handle orientation versus the competition, we actually rotated it 90 degrees. What that does is actually put more material in the direction that you're going to be loading this bag. So that alone greatly increases our durability. In addition to that though, our wall sections across the board on these uprisers are going to be thicker than anyone else in the industry. And then lastly, we put our Milwaukee engineers to redesigning the entire mechanism to make sure this will be the most durable handle in the industry. So we're going to have rolling bags in 2 different sizes. First off, we're going to have a 24-inch hardtop bag. This is going to be perfect for the user that needs to bring all their tools with them and a ton of raw materials with them to the site every day. We're also going to have an 18-inch version. So this is a crucial size dimension for the user that needs to put this bag inside of a job box at the end of the day. So this will actually is sized perfectly to slide right into a job box and still have a softer lid so they have full access to it while it's inside of there. Both of these are going to have the same construction as far as wheels, handles, and skid plates. So what I've got here is just a quick demonstration. Rolls across gravel with the nice big wheels. If you do happen to hit a stair, you hit a skid plate, and then it can actually roll up the stairs as well. And then to really show you guys what the life of a rolling bag is, I've got a life test over here that shows you the day in the life of a rolling bag. So if you guys would pull back over here. So this crazy contraption you're looking at is a 18-inch job site rolling bag from Milwaukee, loaded with 50 pounds. So pretty standard load on what would be drug around day in and day out. It's on a drum that every 1.5 foot has a bump on it of about 1 inch. Drum's going to rotate at approximately 2.5 miles an hour, so walking speed. So we're going to start this. I've got a video showing us versus our main competitors in this space to show how much more durable our extension handle is going to be. So competitor 1, coming up pretty soon here. In as little as 4 miles of not very abusive testing, just walking across the job site, we see not only a handle failure, but also a wheel failure. And the thing is, we see users averaging about a half mile a day of walking, so that's only a couple of weeks of use. Our 2 primary other competitors, after about 20 miles, so a few months, handles are both trash. This bag has gone over 100 miles. We still are optimizing the design, but we've seen some go double that. So all in all, this bag is going to truly have the industry's strongest extension handle, strongest wheels, and be the most versatile bag in